So this is the black bean brownie recipe, an internet recipe that I tried, and I took some and tasted it, and it tasted really good. For this recipe, I'll link my source, the account that I got the recipe from. For this version, I did not have chocolate chips with me, but I guess you could do away without any chocolate chips. In terms of the consistency, it's still hot, it's still warm. It holds quite well. Here. This is how it looks like. So it tastes well as well. It tastes good too. Tastes like brownies.